Today, I want to share with you my experience with my Shopify store that I launched specifically for this channel, Scalp Serenity. It's important to note that I spent $120 on this store and made absolutely zero sales. Yes, you heard that right, zero sales. This is a real result, and it's what you can expect when starting out in dropshipping or e-commerce. Let me walk you through my journey. Firstly, I found my product by using the Facebook ads library, or Meta ads library now. I narrowed down my options and then I used Shop Hunter to track the sales and revenue of similar stores. This gave me an idea of what to expect in terms of sales, and my biggest competitor was the Scalp Hero. They were doing tens of thousands per month according to Shop Hunter, so I thought I could take this product and move it over onto TikTok. So I could capture an audience that these guys haven't taken advantage of as of yet, as there was no content around this product on TikTok. That was basically the idea, which sounds horrible now that I've done it and realized just because a product works on Facebook doesn't mean that it'll work on TikTok, since the audiences are very different. These are things you learn while dropshipping. Even me, today, I am learning things in e-commerce and the dropshipping world. Then I went on to create my store. I used cream colors as my theme because I thought the photo of the product with those colors looked very good, and I wanted the store to have a clean and calming aesthetic. I also used Runway AI to improve my product images by adding the image in and giving it a prompt similar to the actual product image, so the AI does not need to do so much work and work as hard to make the image realistic. I gave it the prompt of the product on a grey towel, as the product is white and it gives a very nice contrast. The AI did very well in this. I think these images are some of the best, and I'm going to keep using Runway to change the product backdrops. It may not work all the time, but for me in this particular instance, it worked out extremely well. I've since used this method in order to gain sales with another product, which I will make a video on if I haven't already, and using AI ways to make some high quality product images with little to no content out around your product. Now let's talk about marketing. I tried both organic and paid strategies on TikTok. I created my own ads and improved them over time, but unfortunately the product wasn't right for this audience. I tried marketing to the USA TikTok audience, which cost me a significant amount of money, but my total sessions were only 80 and 20 of them were probably me testing the website. I interrupt myself to bring you a message that was meant for the people looking to live the life like those motivational reels and TikToks promise you to. No YouTuber offers you a way to make money right now. Right now. I'm talking about right now. In the Growth Guild, navigate to the Gain Access channel, follow the steps and become an affiliate for a brand. You can now make money just by making videos for these brands. It's that easy. The Growth Guild is growing and a place where you can connect with other entrepreneurs and share ideas and learn from each other. It is also the best place to reach me. Now let's jump back into the video. I then gave Australia and New Zealand a try, but still no sales. This was a complete failure as my CPC was quite high and there was no interest expressed around this product. That should have been a clear indicator for me to quit, but I still kept going and spending a bit of money on trying to make some sales with the product. I should have risk tolerance, which I do have now at $175 per product. If I can't make a sale within that budget, then I will stop running it straight away. Also, when spending more money on ads, I am running at a loss no greater than $175, and then I'll continue to grow and optimize and improve conversions and try to make more sales in order to generate a profit. The main lesson I learned from this experience is that just because something works on Facebook does not mean it'll work on TikTok. You have to adjust your marketing strategy for each platform and audience. TikTok's audience is much different to Facebook, as the demographic currently are from different generations. Some products you should just target different demographics. What I've seen work is the gimmicky cool products work on TikTok, whereas problem-solving functional products work better on Facebook. The main demographic on TikTok don't appreciate the feeling when you get a nice head massage, as they aren't matured enough or they just don't really care about it. I know it can be discouraging to spend money and see no results, but it's important to remember that failure is a part of the learning process and your journey. You learn from your mistakes and you use that knowledge to improve in the future. The goal with dropshipping for me is to learn how to market any kind of product. As I'm writing this script, I have had a small success with the product. The current total loss is $50 with 5 sales and nearly $300 in revenue. The product which I am selling, which has generated sales, is a blanket. Yes, a blanket. The video is either already out or it's on the card section of this video, or it'll be out very, very soon. Make sure you've subscribed and turn the bell notifications on in order to see how I was able to make sales with a boring product like a blanket. My journey with Scalp Serenity was a learning experience. I hope that by me sharing to you my experience, I can help others like you who are starting out in dropshipping. Remember, failure is not the end. Keep pushing forward, trying new things. Eventually you'll find something that works for you. I have a video on product which I've made money with coming up very soon, and you'll be able to see how I have generated sales using Facebook ads, and then you can take what I've done and apply it to your stores. You got this. Don't be lazy. Don't forget to join like-minded entrepreneurs in the Growth Guild.